Hi, it's Rob Shed of Tech, and today I'm going to show how you can have two monitors plugged into one Samsung smartphone, this one using Samsung DeX, and actually running an application, in this case VMware Horizon, across both displays, so that we can actually have access to a Windows desktop, a single Windows desktop on both displays. Pretty cool. I hope you'll agree. So we've got the main display on the left here, and then we've got the extended display on the right, and we're using VMware Horizon. So the latest version of VMware Horizon supports having Horizon on two displays. So typically that would be on the smartphone itself and the DeX desktop. What we've done is we've actually changed it or modified it slightly so that we're actually displaying on two external displays to give us a dual display setup. So hopefully you'll see me do some tasks, opening Outlook, opening Word, writing a Word document, etc., just to show that actually it works. Now the thing to bear in mind is this is running against a sort of a sandpit environment. So I've spun up a Horizon server, and that's connecting through to a Windows 11 desktop. So that's all running on VMs that's running on one PC. So the performance is not going to be as good as it would be in a proper enterprise setup, but hopefully it will give you an idea of dual display with DeX using VMware Horizon, just to show it running. So if we look at some apps on the left-hand display, so we've got Outlook. So full-blown version of Windows Office 365 on this machine, connecting to a test account. So we've just got some various emails that we've sent. So this is a test account, so it's just got various bits and bobs in there. So just a standard version of Outlook. So let's have a look. Let's see if we can find an email. So there's a Teams meeting details. Okay. So what we're going to show is copy and paste between the two windows, just to show that it does work. So we've got an email open here, and we've got a Teams address in here. So what we're going to do is we have Word running here. So we already have Word running. So this is a test doing this on Word. So we're just going to drop the font size down to 12. A couple of character turns in there. In fact, let's maximize it. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste. So let's just copy and paste here. So Control C should work. And let's put Control V. And there you go. So that just shows copy and paste between the two windows. So there's no smoke and mirrors here. We are in the same virtual desktop environment. We're accessing the same PC, just on two different screens. And we can drag and drop. Now again, because the environment's on all running on one PC, it's not the fastest in the world. So I can start dragging this across. And the thing to note with this is that you have to drag it a little bit, and then you can drag it across then. So you can maximize it. There you go. So you can drag it between the screens. It takes a little bit of practice, and I think part of that is as you can see, it's a little bit slow, and that's just my setup. This is not what it would be like in real life. In a proper enterprise setup where you've got plenty of bandwidth, plenty of plenty of server resources to your VMware Horizon. So there you go. We're just dragging it across now. So there you go. So that is VMware Horizon running on Samsung DeX and running across two separate external displays. If there's any questions about this, or if you'd like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel. There's lots more tech related stuff. I'll start doing some reviews on APUs and video cards and various gaming stuff, but a lot of what I've done so far is on smartphones, and that's an area that I specialise in. So, and I love to push the boundaries and show just what's possible with technology today. So here we are, 2 displays running from one smartphone, a DeX, Samsung DeX enabled smartphone. This is running on a Note 10 5G, and as you can see, I can now access 2 separate displays, have different applications running in each display. I can have, multiple applications if I want to. I could have Excel as well. There we go. So I can just move my Excel around a little bit. So let's just move this over here. There we go. So if I want to then, if I don't want to copy that summary there, I can copy and I can put it into the Word document. So it's the same way you would do when you work at home. And there you go. So the thing to bear in mind is, although I'm showing this on a desktop, there is a version as well that runs on 2 portable displays, a lap dock, which is what has the mouse and touchpad integrated into it, and an external display. And I'll shortly be posting a video showing that in operation. But hopefully this is of interest, and feel free to subscribe, and if you want to see some more videos, let me know what you'd like to see, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye.